Hello again. It's hold on. What time is it? What time is it? Summertime. It's not summertime, okay? What time is it? What is? Hold on. Okay, so it's 4 a.m. 37 minutes. Or it's 4 and 37 minutes in the morning and I can't sleep. Yeah, I can't sleep because I'm stressed out. I'm having anxiety. Yes, anxiety is an issue. Why am I having anxiety? Because I have a test on Friday and I can't sleep because I keep thinking about it and I keep thinking about it and I keep thinking about this thing. And I'm like, getting frustrated and why do I look so dark? Hold on. No, this is better at night to use the freaking HDR or whatever. But yeah, I can sleep. Like I fell asleep at around, I don't know, 9. Then I woke up. Then I fell asleep again. I fell asleep around 1 or 2, and I woke up at 4. So now it's 4:30. I've been watching YouTube. I was reading my test, and I'm still a little bit scared. And it snowed, so tomorrow I'm going out for sure, just to distract myself because I need to do it. It's not 1 minute. So yeah, if you know English and you know I'm saying things wrong, please let me know in the comments, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna just sell my Nintendo because I don't use it, and I don't think I'm gonna use it. And if I'm gonna use it in the future, I may buy a new one because I think there's gonna be a new console from Nintendo, as far as I know. But the first thing I'm gonna do is sell mine. Okay, so I woke up again. I'm gonna film like this. I don't wanna show my full face. I just woke up again. And okay, let me hide that. Yeah, you can see everything here, not this. Here. Oh, it's like very white outside. I'm gonna show you. So yeah. This is ugly. Oh my god. Hold on. This music. Okay, I'm ready to go out. It's 13 degrees outside. I'm going out because I'm gonna try to be on time in that place so I can sell that thing. I hope. Oh, I haven't checked if it has batteries or not. I'm gonna check right now. And yeah, I hope I don't forget to record outside. I'm still like sleepy and I feel like you can tell by my face. I don't know. So I'm ready to go out. I'm gonna show you the OTV or how I'm dressed. I'm always dressed like this, so it's okay. There you have it. Ignore the food. This is the thing. Look, Wichita. But yeah. Oh, there you go. So I'm on my way to do what I just said I was gonna do, and it's really snowing. It's raining a little bit, so I'm just gonna do that and come back home. Look at the car. Woo. I'm gonna keep walking. Okay, I'm waiting for the guy here in this place until he comes and check the console, and then I'll go back home. I'm so tired. I'm for sure gonna go back home and sleep. I need to sleep. I haven't slept. You will know. So I sold the thing and I got the money. I gotta have money. I have money finally. This is a weird situation. I'm back home. I'm sleepy. I need to sleep a little bit more, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat something. Okay. So I woke up and now I'm again here waiting for my friend and for the bus. Today we're gonna pick up something for the houses. Yeah, I have to come back home and get ready for the. What is this? Okay, let's stop over here. So today is Friday. I woke up a long time ago again. I have a test at 10 a.m. I have studied, but I'm stressed out. I wanna cry. Every time I stay quiet, I remember that I have to take a test. This is me having a fucking anxiety and a panic attack. No, actually, no. When I do that, I cry and I don't want to do anything. But since I'm recording, yeah, I have my eyes closed because I'm sleepy. I don't want to go. I'm just waiting for my friend. I'm sleepy as heck. Please, God. Please. I need to pass this test. That's what I'm asking for. I have studied everything. I have read everything. Please, let me pass. Please. Yes, hello. Wow. Wow.